Hello everyone. Today in our mathematics lesson we are going to be looking at how we can handle data. Last time we talked about how you can represent data, how you can correct data, as well as how you can handle it. We talked about bar graph, we talked about pictogram. Today I want to introduce to you another way how you can represent data. This is what we are calling it as line graph. A line graph is used to represent continuous data. When we are talking about continuous data, we are talking about the data that change over a period of time. For example, you are talking about temperature. Temperature is one of the examples of continuous data because it changes over a period of time. Now, there's something we need to know about a line graph. We have some features that are found on a line graph. This is the example of our line graph. The first feature that you need to know that has to be present in your line graph whenever you are doing this, whether for just for fun or for academic purpose, make sure your graph must have a title. In this case, you are having plant growth recorded in a month. That's a title for your graph. Apart from a title, a line graph must have a vertical line. You can see you are having a vertical line, this line. The vertical line has also a name, is also known as the y-axis. And you are having this other line. This other line is what we call it x-axis. So you have y-axis, which is a vertical line, and x-axis, which is a horizontal line. Remember, we said a line graph, you are talking about data which is you are recording over a period of time. So always time must be in this line, horizontal line, which is the x-axis, and this time can be recorded in either days, it can be recorded in hours, can be recorded in minutes, seconds, years, and so on and so forth. And you also have to make sure that in your line graph you are having labels that are clearly labeled. For example, we are talking about especially the unit of measurement, which we are talking about the time, as we said, measured in days. So you can say time in days time, in seconds time, in hours time, in minutes. And on the other part, you are also having the other variable there. For example, here we're talking about plant height. And this one also, you have to observe the standard unit of measuring like height can be measured in inches as well as in centimeters, in meters. So these are some of the things that you need to focus when you are drawing your graph. And look at this table. You are having two variables. You are having day, you are having temperature. Day 1, day 2, day 3. So you are having these you're having this information. From this information, you can come up with your own line graph. So the question: represent the following information about maximum temperature in a line graph. Choose appropriate scale and labels for your line graph. Remember, focus on the information you have been given as well as the features that we discussed earlier on. Thank you very much. Remember to submit your work. When you are submitting your work, remember to click turn in so that we should be able to see your work.